2022 Ram 1500 with less than 44,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.